quick visit to Full Lake National Park. It's too famous here. Whole fattening. Whole fattening has cleaning dogs or letting the dog drink or clean or whatever. Something like that. Whole fattening. Oh, there's a waterfall. Yeah. And it's the highest in Sweden. But I don't know how far it is. Maybe if you can make it with me.
Ska vi ta den lilla bara? Eller nej?
Jag har inga överdrifter idag.
Cafe here where you can drink something and a toilet. It's too touristic here. It's so there are a lot of people here. It's now 4 p.m. and the parking place was full. So you can buy some souvenirs. And this park was established in 2002 and it has the highest waterfall in Sweden at about 60 something meters. But we can make it because somebody is not feeling well today. Look at these things. I've been looking for a bear. I've not seen one until now. Only these wooden ones. I prefer going to smaller national parks where there are less tourists, where I can have time with the nature. Once in a while, you come to such places where everybody's coming. Oh. Oh, look. Cute. And the info point. And the way to the waterfall. The highest one or the tallest one in Sweden. 1.9 kilometers from the entrance there. Through the bushes. It's very easy what looks like to the waterfall. We will see if we can reach it. We are not sure. Barns. Nice bird here. There it is. So let's see if we are going to make it to the waterfall at this national park, which is so famous. There are a lot of tourists here, so we will see how it is. It's damn cold, it's freezing cold. But that's Sweden. That's the weather here. It's not even September, it feels like it's the beginning of winter. Anyway, no problem. That's part of life. That's part of being in the nature. See you. a lake here. There's a small lake. It's a little lake. In this cute little national park. Well, I've seen better lakes, but the background with the mountains is really good. But I've seen better lakes in Sweden. It's a small little lake. Yeah. Now that's the other side, how it looks like. So there's some bird species here, which you can see when you're lucky. Seen one already. And a squirrel. Oh, I saw a squirrel. So we're at the Fulu Yarlets National Park. Fulu Yarlets National Park. Most Maya Marsh wetland. There are many names for this type of terrain. Sparkum is the most, that is the foundation of the Maya. Maya, that means if you go there, you step on that, you might sink. Okay. That's nice. In the upper marshland, the cloudberry stripe with its golden yellow berries are delicious, and thanks to Sweden's law of public access, you can pick them wherever you want, even in the national park. Oh, but where are they? So it's 1 kilometer to the waterfall from here. That's a bit steep. And there's a viewpoint. In 0.7 is a viewpoint, 0.7 kilometer. Very easy walk here. As usual, rivers. Everywhere. Streams, rivers, springs. Cute little path leading to the waterfall, just next to a cute little river. It's so cute. And everywhere there are info points. Walk. It's good for your health.
Hä? Was sagst du?
You sing it. Walk. It's good for your health. Walk. It's good for your health. Look at the rocks. Almost as the pyramids. Like the pyramids, but natural ones. Ah, I can see the waterfall from here. Wow. Radius. But oh, there it is. Right there. Somewhere there. It's the waterfall where we are going to look at these rocks. There is the waterfall. Cute, but not so big. Cute little huts. Do not leave your trash in the nature. Oh, not drones. Classic. So there it is, the waterfall.
Sadly, it's no blue sky.
Yeah. Down the way to the waterfall, but it's closed for renovation, so I can't go all the way down. there.
Natürlich kommt eine Putzfrau noch gleich sagen.
So that's 8 for today. That's the end of our short leisure walk to Fulfuyalets National Park. Fulfuyalets National Park. It's just a few meters, maybe not meters, kilometers, maybe 3-4 kilometers to the Norwegian border, but it's on the Sweden side. It's a nice place to visit, but there are a lot of tourists here, so I don't know if I would come here during the corona time when there are so many people, but it's still nice. Keep your distance, and it's a lovely place to visit for a leisurely evening walk when the weather is good. Right now the weather is not so good. It's cold and freezing, but it's still okay. That's it. Bye.